Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add aesthetic sticker on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and click a new project. Add a video that you want to edit, this one, and then after this you can click on a sticker at the bottom, this one. Click on it, and in here you can swipe until you can see this icon. Click on it, and in here you can see many aesthetic sticker from CapCut. You can choose everything you like, maybe this one or this one. Like this, and after this you can click check icon in here and set the sticker duration until the end of the video. And finish. So that how to add aesthetic sticker on CapCut apps, and I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.